In a sweeping policy shift, the US Department of Health and Human Services has terminated 22 federal contracts related to mRNA vaccine research and distribution, cutting nearly $500 million in funding. The contracts supported major pharmaceutical companies, including Pfizer and Moderna, in developing vaccines for bird flu and other viruses. Scientists warn that the move could set back pandemic preparedness and stall the development of next generation vaccines.
After reviewing the science and consulting top experts at NIH and FDA, HHS has determined that mRNA technology poses more risks than benefits for these respiratory viruses. That's why, after extensive review, BARDA has begun the process of terminating these 22 contracts totaling just under $500 million. To replace the troubled mRNA programs, we're prioritizing the development of safer, broader vaccine strategies.
The decision follows renewed controversy over the safety of mRNA vaccine platforms. Millions received mRNA based COVID 19 vaccines during the pandemic. However, critics have increasingly questioned the long term effects and the risks associated with repeated booster doses. These concerns have gained traction under Secretary Kennedy, a prominent vaccine skeptic who has ushered in sweeping reforms across vaccine, food, and drug policy. Among his most contentious actions, the dismissal of 17 members of the Federal Vaccine Advisory Committee and the removal of the COVID 19 vaccine from the CDC's immunization schedule for healthy children and pregnant women. Public health leaders warn such measures could erode public trust and weaken the nation's vaccine safety net. The fallout from the mRNA contract cancellations is already visible across the US health system. Leading voices from the Infectious Diseases Society of America to the Coalition for Epidemic Preparedness Innovations say the move could stall research, hamper outbreak response, and deepen existing disparities, especially in underserved communities that rely heavily on federal vaccine programs. Critics warn that the move could widen the gap in global vaccine leadership and undermine future pandemic preparedness. Diptanshu Kashyap's report for the Economic Brief, DD India.